Welcome to the Game Goats YouTube channel. Okay, so today we have another card game tutorial and we're going to be teaching you how to play Speed. Now, Speed, as you can tell from the name, very fast game. And so this is a great game for 2 players. If you want to do a quick, fun, easy card game, this is the game for you.
Unless you're a turtle or a sloth.
Yes, unless you're very slow. This game probably wouldn't be great for you. But if you like fast, quick pace, 2-player games, like we said, this will be great for you. Okay, so like we said, we're going to be teaching you how to play Speed. So let's get into the actual tutorial. Now, when you are playing Speed, like we said, this is going to be a very fast-paced game. So, quick reflexes, if you have those, great for this game. So, how you're going to deal it out. So, you're going to take a standard 52 deck of cards with the jokers removed, of course, because it would have 54 cards if it had the jokers. But, yeah, you're going to take a standard 52 deck of cards, and you are going to, how you're going to deal is you're going to deal 5 cards. You're going to deal 2 piles of 5 cards. Next,
You are going to play 2 cards in the center of those piles.
Yeah, so like
2 face down cards.
Like this. So 2 face down cards. And then next, because you will have 40 cards remaining, you will deal 20 cards to each of the players. So, now that we have the 20 cards dealt out to each player, now this is where it's going to start. So, both players are going to take the top 5 cards off their pile. And that's what's going to be your hand. No, Jonah. So, don't look at your opponent's hand.
Which is illegal.
Yes. So, then this is where the actual game starts. So, on 3, you and your opponent are going to flip over the 2 cards in the middle. So, a 6 and a 5. Now, what can happen is, with the 6, you can either play a 5 or a 7. 1 card higher or 1 card lower. With the 5, the same, you can play a 6 or a 4. And that will keep going. So, like we see, this 6 here. So, since I have a 5 in my hand, I play that on top. So just so you know, you cannot play the same card. So I cannot play that 5 on top of that 5. You cannot play the same card, just 1 card higher or 1 card lower. So I play the 5 on top of the 6. Now what happens is you will. So now that the top card of the thing is a 5, so now somebody can play a 6 or a 4, and you will keep going. So if you play a card,
You
then
will replenish.
yeah, from your other 15 cards, you will replenish from that. And so you will draw 1 more card, so that way you always have 5 cards in your hand. So, what is going to happen is if both players are at a standstill or they can't play any cards, these 5 piles right here, you are going to take up and you are going to flip over that. And so, we're not at a standstill right now, but just to show you. So now, because now it would be a jack on top and an 8. And so, you could play a 9 or 7 or a queen or a 10. So, this is going to keep going until one person is out of cards.
And
so
they will
their
be the
hands,
winner.
their hand and their replenish pile. So you might ask, what if these 5 cards go out? Then what you're going to do, you're going to take each pile. So you're going to take this side. No, actually no. You're going to take the pile on this side, shuffle it. Then it's going to become like this pile. Take the pile on this side, shuffle it. It's going to become this pile. And then you're just going to basically flip over 2 more cards from the top of those piles. So that's basically how you play Speed. Now that you know the rules, now we're just going to show you a little demo game. welcome back to the Game Goats YouTube channel. So, Jonah just won that game of speed. Congratulations, Jonah.
Thank you.
So let's wrap this thing up. So just remember,
Like,
comment down below what videos you want to see next.
share with your friends so that they can see all our awesome videos.
Subscribe.
Hit the notification button so that you can stay updated with all of our new content.
And just remember, keep on